Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm going to do a quick review of this beautiful piece over here. This is the Peter Rassenti Nirvana 2.0. I want to thank my buddy Liam for lending me this guy, to review. This is a stunning piece. It's just incredible. I'm in love with this dude. And, this is made in Canada, of course, by Peter Rassenti. It's a beautiful integral knife. It's a nice frame lock, of course, has a closed size of 5 inches, titanium integral handle with a beautiful stone wash, mirror finish going on. Just stunning, guys. It's a beautiful clip point, one of the sexiest blade shapes in the market, in my opinion. 3.75 inches long. Incredible San Mai Damascus going on with a hand rubbed satin for the core, beautiful dark edge for the jacket, nice Saber grind going on. The sound of this guy is just this one, so phenomenal, just unique and truly beautiful. The pocket clip as well is a beautiful San Mai Damascus tip-up carry. The grip is great. It feels great in the hand. Just a tiny bit of hot spots from the pocket clip. You have a very functional and grippy jimping right over here. Smoothness is very nice for a Nirvana, and it's fast. It's not a flipper, but this flicks open like a boss, like that. You're gonna be loving this one. The detent is dialed in, it's running on bearings. It's super smooth, and if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.